the next project is going to be a butter dish. Okay, as a matter of fact, I did the inside as well. I did the outside. Okay, and what I used was a Dollar Tree butter dish. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, see, right over there. Okay, we're going to prime it. Okay, and it's going to take a couple of coats, at least 2, maybe 3, depending on the material. This is plastic, so we'll see how it dries and how it takes. And then after that, come back and start on the base coat for the colors. Okay? All right. These have the kiltz. So after they're dry, then you have to Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to finish up the butter dish. Okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to use your red for this, and then this bottom part here, you're going to use the green. Okay? So let's do the green first. There's so many shadows. I didn't sand them off. Dang it. That's okay. And then this one. This one. This is going to be red. Okay, and we'll do 2 coats. 2 coats. Okay, so now the next thing is the inside of this is going to be red. Okay, so that's what we need to do. We need to paint the inside of this red. kind of differently. Okay. I'm gonna make this a little bit simpler. Okay. Just going across it like this. We got our black, and we want to do this. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to make little dots. Okay, and we're going to put that all over this whole thing. And then the next thing is the inside of this. The inside, we're going to put dots on the inside too. Just little dots. And we're going to cover the whole thing with little dots. Okay? So what we're doing is we are going to put this. Okay. So we got this. Okay. And we're going to go around the sides with this. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to go all the way around. Okay, and go this whole thing in. Okay. Okay, here we go. Are we on? Okay. It's this here. Ready to spray? Okay. This one here, we'll flip it over. But we'll let that dry, and then we'll come back. Okay? Okay. So all we got left is to put this on and this. Okay? Put it back there. So. Okay. So there you have it.